In a magical garden lives a special little girl named Luna, who can talk to plants and help them grow. Suddenly, Luna's flowers start drooping and turning brown, and her friends show up.
Luna, the forest is in terrible trouble. The magical spring has stopped flowing. Without it, our home is dying.
Everyone is getting sick.
Knowing the forest and animals in danger, Luna stands up with determination, hands starting to glow. Let's go help them right now, Whiskers. Luna and Whiskers walk from healthy garden into dying forest. The forest looks so sad. They see a dirty stream with murky brown water. Whiskers said, "Look at this dirty water, Luna." They discover a magical spring covered in plastic bottles and trash. There, they meet the elder oak. He explains to them.
This spring is the heart of our forest. When it thrives, so does all life around us. The forest breathes, and so do I.
After listening to the elder oak tree, Luna feels something stirring deep inside. Her powers glow ever brighter, a single spark of hope in the heart of the forest, the symbol of its guardian. As she rises, forest creatures, from timid deer and birds to curious foxes, slowly gather around Luna and Whiskers. They whisper in unison, "Yes, let's save our forest." Luna pointing toward the vibrant spring ahead. Everyone has a unique way to help. Small rabbits carrying a bottle in their mouth. We'll gather the tiny pieces. Above, colorful birds flitted through the air. "We can fly the light trash away," they sang joyfully. A strong deer approached, using its antlers to carefully lift and move larger debris. "We'll handle the heavy loads." Nearby, friendly bear cubs worked together, pushing large containers into place. All around, animals of every size and shape worked
Great
in harmony.
job, everyone! Keep going!
Luna lifts stuck trash with swirling green energy. My magic can help with the tricky pieces. The spring area getting cleaner, stone circle becoming visible. We're almost done. Finally, only the last giant bag of trash. This is the last one. Everyone working together to lift the biggest bag. We did it! After cleaning, the clear water immediately bubbled up from the spring. Plants near the spring immediately turned green and started growing. Wow, it's working already. The whole forest is coming back to life. Trees across the land quickly grow fresh green leaves. Forest animals become energetic and playful again, feeling healthier and happier. Colorful wildflowers bloom everywhere in Fast Forward, while clean water flows through streams across the forest. Brightly feathered birds return, singing joyfully in the healthy trees. Everything is green, vibrant, and alive with movement. Our home is perfect again, the animals cheer. They spin, jump, and celebrate with joy. One by one, each animal thanks Luna with warm hugs. "Thank you, Luna. Thank you, friends." Elder Oak smiles proudly over the celebration as Luna sits among her animal friends, facing the camera with a gentle smile. Everyone gathers closer for a group embrace. The story reminds us, when we work together, we can solve any problem.
Working together makes us strong.